and Sky will be joining as well.
Great. Yeah, I'll add them. I think we can start from the short talk, like small
Mm,
talk, and then yeah, I'll like redirect into the live streaming page.
awesome.
So let's see if we are live.
Hey guys, how you doing?
You know what's worst thing about YouTube and all this restream stuff that you always have like 5-10 seconds delay. And I'm
I
seeing that
see.
we are live. Yeah. Yeah, I'm seeing that we are live. Hey
Awesome.
guys.
Okay, let me share this on our Twitter as well as Telegram so that all the Tordess users, Tordess followers can be aware of the AMA and join us as well.
Sure.
So very pleasure to be here.
The same. Well, it's pleasure talking to you. It's like I love talking to the founders and having this short AMAs, like to dive deeper into the product and to understand what's going on basically. Because, prop trading, we were just analyzing today with the team that some of our community and some of the retail investors, mostly, they don't even understand what basically is prop trading. So it's really nice to dive deeper and understand, this sort of the oh yeah, seeing Roche. Like this, as we discussed the turtle and rabbit way to dive a bit deeper.
Nice.
So yeah. Hey Roche, GM.
Hi, hi Roche, are you there?
Are you with
Hey
us? Give
guys,
give
yeah,
me a sign.
yes, I'm here.
Perfect. So we're just waiting for Sky, I believe.
Sure. And we can also start. He will be joining
Mhm.
shortly, but let me share this on our Telegram channel so that all the Toddy's follower and subscriber can join us as well.
Yay. Waiting for people to join. Yeah, from our side, our people, the community is still joining. Yeah, guys, I'm seeing your chat. I'm seeing the chat. Like it's multifunctional, when you're having the Zoom at the same time you're having open YouTube to read the comments, and you're just trying to remember what you wanted to ask the founder. That
I have to ask you to mention the chat with us because we are unable to see the chat with me right now on Zoom. So if there's any questions from the audience, please Hannah
no,
let
I
us
mean
know and we can answer that.
in YouTube in live stream the questions are there might be. So I already see that Deta is saying hello everyone, AlphaMinders and Tordess Minders. Oh my god. Toshin GMGM. Yeah, we're just spreading up. Hey guys, welcome. We didn't even start yet, this whole organizational part, and yeah. I believe Sky will join
Awesome.
us, and I think we can start because it's been a long day. And
Yes.
what time is like
Very long day.
oh my god. What
It's
time is
8:30
it? Is it
p.m.
like
at
evening?
my time. Yeah, 8:30 p.m. It's at night, but it's normal working hours for us because we have a lot of customers in the other side of the world as well as partners in Europe and the US as well. So that's it's normal working hours.
Oh my God. Like it's almost 5 p.m. in my time. So, all right, guys, I feel yeah. Let's start then, I believe. Hey, Rashay, it's pleasure. Oh yeah, I'm seeing Sky. A moment. So yeah,
Roche
the
look a bit
whole
tired.
team is here. The
I am
whole
very
gang is
tired,
here.
Hey
but don't
guys.
worry. Hey Sky.
Hey,
Hey,
hey.
Sky.
How are you guys doing?
Great. It's so pleasure to see you all here today.
Thanks again for
So,
organizing this. We had a very interesting AMA on Twitter last Wednesday. I think it was quite interesting. We answered quite a number of questions, and it's good to
hey,
be
Sky.
back here with AlphaMind on YouTube. And hopefully, uh, if you in the audience are watching this have any questions, please let us know, and we are eager to show what Tortoise is and answer your questions.
Sure, don't mention it. It's why we're here, to dive deeper into Tordess and to understand what we're missing basically from the retail side. Yeah, what's prop trading? Because within the beginning of our organizational sound check, when not all the guys were joining and the speakers were here, we were just talking, and I said that we've analyzed that some of the retails and some of the community members, they don't understand what's prop trading basically. So like today it's going to be a fun, I would say fun conversation, because I'll be your, I would say community member who doesn't understand what the prop trading is. And I would love to to understand it by the end of the AMA. And I would like make some, I don't know, the sum up what I understood, and then we will define who am I, a rabbit or a turtle? So yeah, hey guys, hey again, hey everyone. Welcome to our, I would say, special AMA session on our YouTube with Tordess team. So please meet Dad here, Sky here, Roshi here, and Hannah, your favorite host, I hopefully hope so, is here. So today we're not just talking. Yeah, the guys will be trying to convince me what prop trading is. I mean, like, convince, it's too loud words. I just want to buzz around. So yeah, Tordess team is here, and they're here to explain us what's prop trading, and basically to show some insights and probably some secret strategies, what can be done within the Tordess platform itself, and how to get, I would say, to the top, and how to become a turtle, basically, right? So yeah, diving into prop trading, what's that, how to start, what's what skills do you need, and diving deeper into serious alpha. And like a bonus for everyone who is here in here, oh yeah, let's go, money printing. And for everyone who is here, I just want to share like the first alpha for today, that everyone who is participating for this live AMA, you're having the opportunity to jump in the bonus quest we're having within the Tordess campaign, and be the first who will add on the and pass the first bonus quest. Okay. So yeah, that's no more buzz from me. Heading giving you the mic. Please give us a short intro about yourself, because many people who were not on the Twitter space didn't know much yet. So it would be cool if you and your team members can also give us a short intro and tell us who you are, guys.
Sure. Okay, so I probably go first. My name is Dad. I'm Tordess CEO. Probably Hannah already mentioned this earlier, that some of the community members on AlphaMind doesn't really understand what prop trading is. I have to, it takes a while for us to explain this to Web3 users, but this is a concept that has been proven in Forex industry. It's a huge business, $10 billion US market size in the Forex industry. Basically, what prop firm does is that we allow users to trade our capitals without giving their own money. So whoever out there have good skills in trading, who's good skills in risk management, has a chance to go to tordess.com, take our challenge, which are very simple, which the rules I will show to you later. Whoever go to our platform, take the challenge and pass it. We have a chance to be given funding between $5,000 to $100,000. And with this funding, they cannot withdraw the money, but they can use that for trading on Tordess platform, which is integrated with a centralized exchange, and they can withdraw up to 90% of profit they make. So that is basically what prop trading is. You can also call it a funded trader program, or the other term is prop firm. It is a huge business in Forex industry, but Tordess is one of the pioneer. Sky is our CMO. He's in the call here today. Sky, I and a couple of other tech guys from Vietnam started this back in 2022. We have an integration with OKX back in 2023. And luckily we have Roche here, who is one of the ambassadors for Tordess, one of our early users, one of probably the first 100 or 200. He's very early who joined Tordess. And he takes some time, but he passed the challenge a few times. He passed the challenge. He wins some monthly competitions from Tordess, and he have been a funded traders on Tordess platform for quite some time. If I remember correctly, in 2024, Roche made about 10 or 15 withdrawals from Tordess platform. He earned money from the funded account and already made some withdrawals. And because of his trading skills, we invite Roche to be our ambassadors. Yeah, he joined us or some of the Twitter space. And if you have a chance to watch, follow our Twitter, you will see that Roche and I do have this called TA with Tordess, where Roche explain all these TA analysis, the technical analysis skills, what is MACD, what is Fibonacci, what is all these things that a trader can learn and improve their trading skills. So yeah, that's for me. Sky, how you doing? You want to say a few words?
I'm doing very good. It's kind of cold over here for me. And yeah, so my name is Sky, and I'm been working with Dak and the other team's member and Roche for the last few years. And I manage the communities. And whenever you need support in trading or support, especially in on our platform, I'm the one who'll be in charge and support you guys. And if you need any help with ideas and how trading works, I'm also happy to share. Yep. Yeah, that's it for me. Are you muted?
That you're on mute.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Roche, you want to say a few words?
Hey everyone. Yeah, I'm Roche. Been with Tordess for quite some time now. Sorry if I look tired. I'm quite tired, but we'll be all right.
Let me say
I
this. Let me say this. Allow me to say this. Okay, in the last Twitter AMA, we already mentioned that Roche is a runner. He exercise, and if I'm not wrong, Roche took is it a 72 kilometers or how long how long
no
was the race you
100,
took last weekend?
100, 125K, but I came back last night. But I failed. I didn't complete it. I am sunburned. Like, look at my
Oh,
tan lines, man. Yeah, but it's
that's what I
fine.
call
I mean,
discipline.
it's
Oh my
like,
God.
running is like trading. I always say
How
that.
far? How far is it that you make?
Oh man, like 40 Ks, man. It was raining so bad, and it was in the night, right? Like,
Okay, so it was raining, so the
and
market is
my
bad.
headlamps batteries. Yeah, and my headlamp was the batteries went out, right? So, but it's fine. I'm very happy with what I did. I'm very happy. You know, I'm very lucky that I can run. So I'm happy. Yeah, yeah. It
Yeah,
was really,
thanks.
really good.
Thanks, Roche. Thanks, Dad, and thanks, Sky, for your interest. Oh my God, I'm gonna be like saying thanks a lot today. Like so many people, it's so unusual that we have like a whole team here, like except for a couple of developers. It's so nice that you guys came in today. So yeah, moving to my favorite first part. Okay, just like like a disclaimer before. Imagine that I'm a 5 years old child who don't understand anything about prop trading and anything, okay? Just treat me like a 5 years old child. Like try to explain to me in this way. So, okay, it's like a short disclaimer to be on the same page. So, okay, guys, before we kind of dive a bit deeper into the product, like Tordess itself and psychology behind it, everything, let's start from the simple things. What's prop trading?
Okay, let's explain it like
Mhm.
I explained to a 5-year-old. So basically, prop trading is that we give you a chance to trade our money, use our money for trading. If you prove that you are a good trader who can manage risks, not lose than a certain amount of percentage on a daily basis or on a total account basis. We give you a challenge. If you pass it, we give you money to trade and withdraw up to 90% of profit limit. That's basically what prop trading is. All the fancy terms can make people confusion, but in simple words, prop firm is the firm like us who give people money for trading as long as they prove that they are good traders, good risk manager.
So like I can like okay. Let's try to figure out. So I come to the platform like to Tordess and I want to trade. And I'm saying like, "Hi Dad, can you give me your money and I can trade? I'm a good trader. I swear on that." And
You
then
have
I'm
to
like,
prove it. You have
okay,
to
I have to
prove it.
prove it. Okay. So
Okay.
how can I
Okay.
prove it?
Okay. If you allow me, let me share the screen on tordess.com. Let me
With
try if I
pleasure.
can share it from here. Uh, can you see my screen now?
Loading for me.
Is it loading yet?
Oh, yeah, I can see your X.
Okay, can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay,
You're at the new side. Yeah.
on the new side. Okay, I want to switch
Great.
to
Oh, yeah.
Tordess.com.
Yeah.
Okay,
There we go.
so this is the interface of Tordess.com on any website or any browser on your mobile device or your laptops or your computer. You can go to Tordess.com and access this. If you scroll down, you will see the challenge that we have, which is the core of the platform. For the price from $49 up to $549, we give users a challenge, which I mentioned to you earlier. You have to prove that you are a good traders. Like let's say if you want to try a small one, like a $5,000 challenge, we ask users to pay a refundable fee of $49. The rules are very simple. We give users a $5,000 virtual money, paper money, which on our platform, which is connect with a centralized exchange partner, they will use this $5,000 and prove that they are good traders. The rules are very simple, only three simple things. First one is that they should not lose more than 5% daily, which for this case, not lose more than $250 per day. If you lose more than $250 per day, probably you may not be a very good trader and you may not be able to qualify for this. And second thing is that you should not lose more than 10%, which is $500 on a total account basis. And on every 30 days, you have to generate 10% profit, which is $500. Only three simple things. If you can do it on the first 30 days, you will move to the second phase, verification phase. The same thing happens. Three simple rules. Not lose more than 5% daily, not lose more than 10% on total account basis, and produce just 10% profit, not more than 10%. Just 10% is enough to prove that you are a good trader. So basically, we are asking people to show that they are a consistent winner. And after these two phases, they can move to the third stage, which is still on Tordess.com, but it's real money. They cannot withdraw this money, $5,000 or $100,000, depending on the package. But they can withdraw up to 95% or 90% depending on the package they choose. So let's say with the $5,000, they produce a $1,000 profit. They can withdraw $850. And thus we come together with a refundable fee, $49 they pay in the beginning. So in total, they will get $899 back. And they just keep stay as a qualified traders as long as they prove that they manage the risk well, not lose more than 5% daily, not lose more than 10% on total account basis. And I have in this call Roche that have managed, I think he managed $10,000 account for, I think you remember 6 months last year. He stayed as profitable funded traders for 6 months, yeah, and made about 10 withdrawal requests.
Yes, that's correct. Yeah.
Yeah.
So like basically I need to head to the website, like to the platform, then I'm paying the fee, like for let's say for the beginners, like for the beginner package, I'm paying the fee, the refundable fee, and then I can start trading or like with the 5,000 you're putting on the balance.
Yes.
Okay.
So for the first phase is virtual money. So the first two phase, first 60 days virtual money. But once you move to the funded trader status, it's real money from us. And you can withdraw up to 85% of profit limit. I have to repeat again that this concept, if you go to google.com, you search for the term prop firm, you will see hundreds of firms are doing something similar to this in Forex. And we are one of the very few, if not only, doing this solely on crypto.
Okay.
And I have to say thanks to this partnership with OKX, we have, if you search for Tordess OKX, we did this, we have this partnership release in March 2023, but then we only complete the integration sometime in June, July 2023. And we have been around for more than 2 years, serving close to 10,000 users, more than 20 funded traders, more than $20,000 of profit withdrawals, and one of the pioneers in the segment of prop firm for crypto. Even though it is a huge business in Forex, we are one of the pioneers in crypto.
That's really cool. And you know, we have like the question from the community from Sabri, like you get the data from the OKX exchange, but the title on your chart belongs to Binance. I think on the Twitter AMA you've already answered this question. Could you like please
Yes.
show me where is that? I mean, I cannot see
Yeah,
that.
sure. Okay, let me share. I'm actually sharing my screen right now. So if you follow Tordess, if you are a Tordess user that has been around for more than a year, you probably know that we released Tordess version 2, V2, late last year, early this year. So V2 has been around for close to 5 months now. And in this V2, we do have integration with a new centralization as well, in this case, Binance. And for that is for the demo account, that is for the competition and challenge. Right now, for the funded traders that are still using OKX. But the purpose of having multiple integration is that we will have more support from these big names in the markets. There is something that we cannot disclose yet, but hopefully in the coming months, you will see some announcement that we make with other partners very soon. And that will help us in reaching out to potential users out there, as well as drive up the token utility, as well as drive up the awareness of the users, the people in the crypto world regarding our project. Yeah.
Great.
Hopefully that answered your questions.
Yeah, I think I understand how it works. Like at least within the beginning, I understand that. Okay. And can you like walk me through while you're showing the screen? It would be really nice if you can walk me through your app in more details. Like it just
Sure.
would love to learn
Okay.
more. Like, I understood was prop trading, at least within the row, I would say row information. I think I got what's that and how can I earn basically. So right now I want to dive deeper.
Okay. So one more cool thing that I will show in this AMA is that besides the paid challenge, if you are not familiar with Tordess yet, you have a chance to join Tordess for free, which is the free monthly competitions. This one is basically free. Every registered users on Tordess can try this. Basically, it works on the same concept as the challenge. It's a demo account as well. The rules are the same. It's just that if you are the top #1 top traders on the monthly competitions, you will get a $10,000 funded account immediately at the end of the month. And for the top 2, top 3, they get either a free challenge account or vouchers and things like that. And let me show you. You can probably go click here to sign up. It's very simple. It's very simple. They only require you to use your email address and a referral code. The referral code is not something required, but it's useful. It's probably if you have been referred to Tordess by a partner, you may enjoy more discount and stuff like that, more rewards in the future. So if it will be advisable if you know a partner. And right now there's a code called AlphaMind, because we may run some campaigns with AlphaMind in the future. So whoever are watching this and haven't signed up on Tordess.com, you can try AlphaMind in the referral code to sign up. But I already signed up, so I will show you the screen of how it looks like for our registered users. So over here, you will see that, I hope that you guys are still be able to see my screen. You will see that you can switch between tab, a competition tab and a challenge tab. The challenge is the thing that you have to purchase. So you go here, click join, and just pay with crypto to pay with the challenge. It will look exactly the same like the competitions. So for the purpose of this demo show right now, I will show just the competitions account. And you will see over here how others are doing as well. So this month I'm just doing a try, and you will see that I'm ranking in 2000. My rank is 2000 this month, because I'm not a very good trader, but a lot of others. I think later we can ask Richard for some of the tips, but for me, I'm not that a great trader, so I just show you how this platform will work. You can go to market, choose some
And by
pairs.
the way,
Let's say,
do I need to
yeah.
pass the KYC to join your platform?
No, there's no KYC for trader at the beginnings. Later on, once you get to a funded trader status, we do KYC for users who due to the integrations we have with Binance and OKX, we are not serving users from the US and Canada. So we only do the KYCs to make sure that certain users, we don't serve users from those restricted countries. And in the futures, we may be able to have some integrations with other exchanges serving this market. But right now, we are afraid that we are not able to serve people, the users from the US and Canada at the moment. Okay, so going back to the screen, let's say I want to do some trade with BTC. I can choose a leverage here up to 5x leverage. Let's say I want to be safe. Let's do 1x for now and make a purchase. It's very simple. It's just like any centralized exchange out there. So if you have experience doing trading on OKX or Binance, you will see that it looks exactly the same. So I just open a trade long BTC and quickly, there's no win yet. It's not putting any return yet, but I can close it immediately and see if, yeah, basically, let me see how much I have now. Still the same, still about 99,000. So I lose about $2 on that trade. Yeah. Okay. So it's very simple. It's basically the same as any centralized exchange out there. So it gives users the chance that, like, instead of using your own money to trade and earn profits on Binance or Kix or any centralized exchange out there, you can use Torddy.com without using your own money, because if you're good in trading, there's a chance for you to get up to $100,000 funding and produce profit from it. This is something that has been available to forex traders. If you ask any retail forex traders, this concept has been around for more than 10 years over there, and everybody does it over there. It's just that it's still very new in crypto, and we bring the same benefits, the same futures or prop firm from forex into crypto.
Thanks, Dad. And we have also a couple of questions, if you don't mind. I will ask them right now. So
Sure.
one from Detaya, what trading bonuses are available and how can I get them?
Or trading bonus as in for discount and stuff. So right now we are not running any campaign at the moment, but Sky, I think you can probably decide some discount campaign running with AlphaMind in the coming weeks, right? What do you think?
Yes, yes. This could be nice because we partnering with AlphaMind and we are very happy to offer some discount and even mini games giveaway for AlphaMind's community's members. So this could be a great start.
That sounds like a
Just
fun to me.
just a bit of background info. We get about 10,000 users without any money spent on marketing, all through this giveaway campaigns, discount campaign. Because once we partner with trading communities or any communities out there, we give a chance for users of the other communities to give us a try. And after a while, lots of them find that it's useful, and a lot of them retain and then stay in Tordess communities and become a Tordess community member. So we look forward to do the same type of collaboration with AlphaMind in the coming days and weeks.
Great, guys. Sounds like a good plan, and we have a lot of things ahead. So moving back to the dashboard. Okay, dashboard, trade, and market. I understood. So within the wallet, as I believe I can see my
Yeah, so basically in the wallet, you will see that how much money you are having right now. Today, how much you earn. Actually, I managed to, before this, I do some trades and I gained $17 profit today. But right now, the main thing is that it judge you against the rules. Like, let's say $100,000, not lose more than 5% daily, not lose more than 10% on a total account basis, and it's still good. So this a check against the rules, and everything is still good right now. In terms of the leaderboard, is the thing that you will see how you are judging against the others. Like as I mentioned, I'm not a good trader, so you can see that right now I'm ranking in the 2005 something ranking, so not that great. But the cool thing about us is also with the leaderboard is you can see how others are trading, and you can probably get some ideas from that as well. So that is something that a lot of our users are doing, because they have a chance to see what others are doing and get some ideas on how, like, what what is trending and how others are making money, and probably do the same.
Great. And for the beginners, I mean, for those who, let's say, never traded, like, when you're just thinking of the community members who never traded and they would love to trade and would love to learn how to trade, because even from my experience, I'm not a professional trader, not even a good trader. But it's so hard to understand sometimes some, I would say some of the methodologies and some of the written like formulas, like I don't know, like someone bought BTC USD at the price of, I don't know, the price with the leverage 1, with the leverage 5. What's the difference? I mean, like I believe Rasha can like give me a hint here because he's more from like the community part, but like what's the difference?
Roshan is only a
So
pro trader, so he's the
yeah,
better person to advise us in this.
Oh yeah.
yeah. So me let me explain people how I'll try and explain how I got into trading, right? And then maybe that would motivate people to get into trading if they are not trading. And this way we can, so the thing, let me start how I found Tordess and what made Tordess great for me, right? The best thing about Tordess, if you're a beginner, is the actual competition, okay? Because it's free. So if you wanted to trade, let's say on Binance or OKX, you need to open up an account, you need to put money in, right? Or if you want to trade Forex, you need to do this, or you need to do that, you need to download this. With Tordess, you just go to the competition and it's free, right? It's competition. And people need to remember you're trading always against yourself. Number one, you're trading against yourself and your emotions. And number two is you're trading against the market, right? This is this is the basic rules of trading, right? Now, like you said, you don't. So what I'm trying to say is using the competition of Tordess is a really good way of tracking your trades, seeing what you're doing, seeing where you go wrong, seeing what you did right, right? And that is why Tordess is so important, because with the first company, this we're the best company that does this, and we will remain the best to do it because we give people a chance to try. So in the beginning, let's say you start, you might fail for 6 months and never win the competition, but month 7 you won it. I think I only won after 9 months, if I'm correct. That it was around 9 months that I only won the first time, right? And I came close. I was fourth and fifth. Sometimes I failed, right? The whole thing about it is trying to learn, and you have to learn, right? And like you said, you don't know methodology. So people like you, I would definitely advise you not to trade. What I would advise though, if you don't know the methodology, is to get a trading course on. There are great YouTubers out there who give away information for free, but also finding what works for you. And by saying that is you can only find out what works for you is by sticking with something for a time. I always say my goal is 120 days. So I always test something for 120 days. If I fail in 120 days, then I know it's not working for me. And you can do courses on Udemy. There are many other courses to do, right? They're very affordable. And where prop firm or prop trading comes in is it allows people who do not have 100K or 200K USD available, right, to actually trade and still make almost the same money they would if they had that funding available. Does that make sense?
Yeah, that makes sense a lot, I
Yes.
would say.
Yes. So for instance, it's 85%, profit split once you have qualified. That is a massive amount, right? So if you can stay disciplined and if you are willing to learn, the, it's just the main thing is being willing to learn, and you have to trust yourself, right? That's why I say you have to test things. TradingView is free, right?
Mm-hmm.
Tordess competition is free. There are free courses on YouTube. There are literally not a single excuse for people not to learn how to trade. It's either you want to trade or you don't want to trade.
Oh
And that
yeah,
is up to people, right? So and you said it beautifully, you don't know the methodology. It's the same. It's a skill, right? You're gonna if you leave the school, you go on YouTube and you start to learn all the methodology, then you're suddenly gonna go, okay, I don't know, I still don't know, I'm still scared, right? But if
Mm-hmm.
you go, if you learn for a week, you're gonna start to know what does it mean to leverage 1, leverage 5, right? 5x, 1x, right? In a
Exactly.
month from now, you're gonna know some candlesticks, right?
Mm-hmm.
2 months from now, you might win your first trade, right? But a year from now, you're gonna go, oh wow, okay, these are all the mistakes that I make. This is what I'm really good at. Okay. Like, so for instance, I don't trade if I'm tired. It's my golden rule. I don't trade if I'm tired or if I'm sad. Three
Mm-hmm.
rules. I don't trade when it doesn't matter. The market can be at 110K. There can be a God candle on BTC. I won't trade because from my experience, when I feel these emotions, I make
Mm-hmm.
mistakes, you know? I make mistakes. So it's one of my rules. So people tend it's like it's a rule book that you build for yourself, right? And it takes immense discipline. Immense discipline. Like some people you'll realize only trade at a single time in the day. You'll meet people who only trade at 7:05 in the morning every single day. Or
Mm-hmm.
you get other people who are scalp traders who do 100 trades in a day. So it's all about you and your personality, right? There's a lot of noise out there, so there's a lot of noise where you can get, well, how can I say, confused with what's going on. So for people watching this, I would say stick to 1 or 2 YouTubers if you watch them, right? But also follow our TA Tuesday and see what you like. We have many, many, many old videos that you can watch, right? That you can see exactly what counts for you and what works for you. Like the Fibonacci retracement is one of my favorites, right? I
Mm-hmm.
use it on large scale, small scale. I really love it. It's one of my favorite ones. Well, I can't give you a percentage on accuracy, but it's very accurate most of the time, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I really like that. I'm a big fan of that. So I will never deviate from that. I will always stick with that because it's close to me. It's something that's really important to me, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, and I mean, if people have any questions, they can always DM us on X or Twitter, whatever people call it, right?
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I'm willing to answer questions. I mean, these guys are always available. We're very active and responsive community. I think that's why you see the community is so successful. It's because we don't act to be something we're not, right? We all know we struggle. We all know how to win. You can only win if you struggle. No one's just winning all the time. If someone's just winning, they're lying to you. No, I'm serious.
Exactly. Yeah.
No,
It's
really,
like,
I'm serious. If you see people who tell you you're gonna make 100,000 in this month, they're lying to you. You can only make 100,000 if you have probably 10 million
yeah,
USD. Then you can make 100K in a month, right? So
100%. Yeah.
yeah, people and that's why Tordess, the future for Tordess looks so good, right? Because we are now entering a market where no one has dared to step a foot in, right? So
Mm-hmm.
I'm saying that and Sky, especially the two of them, right? They took on something that seemed impossible, and they made it possible. They made it possible, right? And the traders that watch us will know. You start now, in 4 years from now, you're going to be very, very successful, right? And that's why the token linked to Tordess is so amazing because it just gives people that ability to have 2 or 3 streams of income instead of just one, you know? Instead
Mm-hmm.
of just hodling, let's think of a funny meme coin name, whatever, right? Let's say penguins, right? Yeah,
Okay.
in the next bear run, penguin's not going to give you any return. In fact, you're going to sit on nothing. You're going to sit on cents, pennies, So it's just something. But yeah, people can. I have the people can drop comments in the YouTube if they want, and yeah, I will definitely answer that for them if they have some. Awesome.
Thanks, Rasha. Like,
No, all
I,
good,
I
all
have to
good.
really
say, I
inspires
have to
me. Yeah,
say
yeah.
that why we love Roche in Torres, how the team, why we love Roche is that not just he's a good trader. We have a few other good traders on Torres as well. Through the years, we managed to get a few traders who get the tool into funded trader status and withdraw monies from earn money for us as well and withdraw money from it as well. But Roche is one of the few guys who are very open to the team. After we get to know him through the support on Discord and all these things, he was willing to support us and uh, appear with like show with us in all these AMA as well as the X-Space that we if you follow our Twitter, you probably know that Tordess together with one of our biker, Crypto Paradise, which was founded by the founder of Firm Networks, that we organize this so-called TA Tuesday every week. We are trying to make it every week, but sometimes we got busy schedules, but it was more like once every 2 weeks. But Roche, over the past 6 months or close to 9 months, he has been showing a lot of useful lessons. And if you go to tordess.com, just scroll down, we probably learn from Fibonacci retracement until MCA, MACD, and how to read news, how news affect crypto trading and all these things. And that's why we really love Roche. Probably if you follow Tordess, you probably know that one of the guy, Leon here in, if you check his trading feed, you probably know that he was a very recently funded trader as well. It took him about 4 months. I cannot remember how long, but until he passed the challenge and get into financial status, and and now he's managing $10,000 funded account. But Roche is still one of very few guys that willing to show his face and support us in all these AMAs and willing to give back to the communities by all these TA knowledge that he has. So very appreciate what you're doing, Roche.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, Roche.
Thank you.
No, like, you know what I love when we're talking like community to community, because you like you can find the right words for the community, how to explain to the people at the same page, because it's hard sometimes to the founders. I'm not saying that you're not doing it great. No, it's just hard sometimes to the founders to find the correct and right words that would reach out basically to the community what they're doing. And that's the problem of all founders. Like again, it's I'm not saying that you're doing something wrong, just I'm saying that sometimes it's hard to find the right keywords. So yeah, moving on. Okay, I think I got what's prop trading. I got information how to basically what can I do on Tordess. And you mentioned a lot of times about this competition. Could you like dive a bit deeper as to this challenge? Maybe I want to start testing the competition today. What can I do? Could you like also dive a bit deeper into this part?
So it's very simple. Just sign up an account on tordess.com. Immediately you will be eligible to participate in it. As I showed earlier, it's on the main tab, on the default tab. If you purchase the challenge, it's on the right tab, but the competition is the default mode for everyone with a registered account on tordess.com. And you can immediately place a trade and already participate in it. With any single trade, you will see what's your ranking in the leaderboard, whether you are in the top 100, top 10, or like me in the top 2000. It's fun to be in the competition as well, as Roche mentioned, because we learn a lot of things from that. Second thing is it's free. It gives you a chance to try out this before you commit into any paying package, and you will improve from it as well. There's a lot of fun in seeing how others are performing against you, whether you are in the top 100 or in the top 1000. It will be a fun experience.
Thanks a lot, Dad.
Definitely.
I think I will like right after the AMA, will go and test that. Like I'm becoming more and more bullish on that. Like I'm already bullish on Tordess, but I want to win the competition. But like, will I have enough power to do that, Roche?
Of course you do. Like I said, just start from the beginning, you know. And
Understand what's leverage,
yeah, you start from scratch, right? And don't be scared to make mistakes, because you will learn nothing if you don't make mistakes, right? Like you need to make mistakes. And yeah, that's it. I would say do that and decide your work and how you work, you know, your hours. Very important to have time, because you'll realize as you go on in the future, especially the longer you trade, the more you prepare and the more you backtest, the better you become a trader, right? So, you know, you go on Instagram and they show these people, the Lambo people, right? And they show you just click 2 buttons and now you're a millionaire. They're lying to you. Okay, they're lying to you. They just want you to buy the course, right? We don't sell any courses here, you know. So yes, I would definitely say just learn from scratch. Start with
Mhm.
methodology, you know, go through the courses, find a course that goes step by step by step. I'm very lucky. I had a very good mentor many years ago. He's actually one of my best friends now, but we became friends through this. And he was hard on me, you know. He taught me a lot of this, and he was like, "You need to do this. You're gonna make mistakes. Don't worry about it. Just continue to go. Decide who you want to be." So it's the same. If you want to start, just start from the beginning. You know, go on YouTube and literally go how to trade. And I would advise people if they go on YouTube is to look at how to do spot trading first. Don't get into leverage, okay? Because leverage that will tell you. I think every single person know that spot is the way to go and not leverage, definitely. So spot
And on
trading is a one for
Tordess,
one. Yeah.
on Tordess, you can choose 1x leverage is the same as spot
Yes.
is
Yes.
is a perpetual base, but if you can choose 1x and you won't have you can sleep well at night. You don't have to worry that your
Yes.
trade will get disqualified one day because it's safer.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know, like I'm
Yes.
feeling that Roche just need to make some sort of the short form video content for all the traders, like newbies like me, and then just post it on on Tordess socials and Tordess YouTube, like make some sort of the course to understand what are you guys talking about, especially about the leverage. It's like
Yeah,
it's a
so
good.
leverage is just borrowing, borrowing money, like how would I say this? It's multiplying the position that you have, right? So it's
Yeah.
for instance, let's say you only have one apple, right?
Mhm.
But you want to have 5 apples because you want to get 2 apples extra, 2 extra apples.
Mhm.
So you have 1 apple, but you borrow 4 apples from your friend, and you tell your friend, if I if you lend me your 4 apples, then I can get 2 apples. And when I get the 2 apples, I'll give you 4 apples back, right? So,
Mhm.
of course, sometimes it works, right? Sometimes you go out and you gather 7 apples, you give your friend his 4 apples back, you have 3 apples now. But if you don't gather apples, then you lose all your apples. So then you lose
Yeah.
your friend's 4 apples and you lose yours. That's pretty much what leverage is, right? So leverage is just borrowing extra, multiplying your
Mhm.
position with someone else's funds, right? It's
I
not the
love
same
it.
as prop firm, but they're different. You understand? Yeah.
Yeah, now I understand, like finally. Like
Okay.
that's why I'm saying about the someone from the community explaining simple like in simple words. Now I got that. Thanks, Rasha. Okay,
All
let's
good.
move to the questions. We have a couple of questions from the community, and I believe some of them we answered already, though there is one from Samuel Decrypt. Could Tordess eventually integrate on-chain performance metrics like karma or other proofs as a part of trading evaluation instead of just challenge success?
Basically, we can do all sort of these things. In the future, with the token having TG very soon, we have all these kind of quests, karma, quests and stuff for users to enjoy and then earn TDS token from it. Regarding the funding, we still have to keep the competitions and the challenge in place because it's a proven model from Web2 from Forex industry. It has been tested with millions of Forex trader before we brought it into Tordess.com with crypto and test it with more than 10,000 crypto traders. So in order to get funding, we still have to keep all these challenge where users have to follow the rules, not to break any drawdown limits that we in place. Prove that they are a good traders. But with the introductions of TDS token, we will be able to integrate more things like mini games and all these quests for users to not just trade, have other options as well to earn some tokens, earn some income from it, like by staking. As I mentioned, we already mentioned that we already covered that in the AMA on X Space last week. But then also have all these quests that the team will be planning in the future.
Thanks, Dad. And while we touched the TG stuff, like before moving and answering the questions, I wanted to also to touch and remind our community that right now they still have opportunity to join TDS pre-sale on AlphaMind. So yeah, we have the pinned message with the link on the comments so that everyone who didn't yet participate, you have time and you have opportunity to participate. And if you have any sort of the questions, like, I don't know, any sort of the doubts you're having, you can simply ask Dad or Sky or Rochelle. Like, guys are here at your service for any questions. And yeah, moving about, like talking about a bit about the plan. So right now you're having the pre-sale of TDS. But before talking about the next plans and next steps and roadmap and so on, I want, I wanted to like highlight once more, probably for the community who didn't hear it on the Twitter, like X Space. What about the utility? Like, it's my favorite question, you know. Always asking about the utility.
The first
Yeah.
utility of Tordess token is giving people a chance to own a source of income stream from Tordess. Like Hannah probably agree with me is that not all crypto users out there are traders. About a percentage of them, a high percentage of crypto users are traders. But then there are users like Hannah who doesn't like to trade at all. In these segments, in this prop trading segment in Forex, there's no other choice. If you don't like trading, you won't be able to come to prop firm. But then with the introduction of token, we allow users to earn an income stream from it. You may not trade, you may not want to trade, then just don't trade. Just hold the TDS token, stack it, and earn 25% of platform revenue, because the more the platform generates, the more you will get from staking rewards. And you can also earn from refer the users to us, earn an affiliate payout from it, a higher affiliate payout since you are TDS holders, and also higher discounts. Like for example, it's $49 for a $5,000 challenge, but TDS token holders can enjoy potentially 15% depending on the campaigns that we are running, that Sky will be running in the future.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Sounds great. And Sky, you're with me.
Yep, with you.
My time bombarding you with the questions. So, what about the activities you're planning? Come on, give us some alpha, give us some insight. What's going on inside? Like, what your community can expect within the future? I don't know, week, 2 weeks, month, half a year? We are curious.
So, as we partners up with AlphaMind, we could run some little campaign giveaway for some lucky winners that join our AMA, join our live stream, and as well as we can offer some like huge discounts for new traders that want to purchase our challenge and to try to make their trading a career in the future. So we just make life in trading easier for everyone. And also we have CrowdShare here to share AMA or every week to share people experiences, because obviously he's been in trading for years and he knows the what is good and what is no good in trading. And I think it's better than listen to old people in the field rather than just being like a tiger without a direction. Because I was a trader myself before, and I just trade 24/7.
I'm about to tell that story. But Sky will tell it better.
I trade 24/7. I don't sleep. I don't eat. I just trade. It's with
Yeah, I don't do
emotion.
that.
Yeah. See, so he's obviously doing better jobs than I did before. So no eating, no sleeping, and very unbalanced life and very emotion in trading. Sometimes I make huge money. Sometimes I lose it all. So that's why I'm here with Tortoise. Because I'm very passionate, and I truly believe that um, you need a risk management in trading. Otherwise, it's just not working, and it's will never working. Will never be working without risk management. If you don't manage
Yeah.
your money well, and then it's no matter how much money you have, it's gonna be on, you know. So risk management, and you gotta follow the rules. And Tordess here to give you a chance. Also, before it's very hard for me, and I think for most people I know, to make money and to put in trading. So when you spend all the money in trading, it's tough to lose it all overnight. And yeah, and that's also an
Yeah.
idea we at Tortoise, we help people like that. You don't need money to trade. You just need consistent, you need discipline, and you need to learn to more skills and improve it day by day, I guess. And yeah, one day you get joy our competition, and it is free, and you can obviously get free challenge and free funding account, so you can manage this, make a long term career with Tortoise.
Thanks, Kai.
So
Good.
I'll
Sky
get
was,
back to you
yeah,
about the
Sky
events also.
Sky was actually a moderator on a very huge Facebook group of about 1,000 English-speaking traders, crypto traders in Vietnam about 3 years ago. That's how I got a chance to meet him. And
We were
like
both,
Sky,
me and him
oh
both.
yeah, and
Yes.
Roche is a good trader, but I cannot say the same for Sky. He's good trader once in a while, but not always. And and
I
he's a turtle.
the
He's more no, he's a hare. He's a rabbit, and Roche is more like a turtle. And that's the idea.
Yeah.
How we came up with the idea, because we see the concept is doing very well in forex, and we see just how different Roche and Sky are doing in crypto, and we think why don't bring this concept and see serving all the turtles out there, consistent winners in crypto, and convert all those rabbit into consistent winner turtles in crypto as well.
And you yourself, that are you are you balancing between this let's say rabbit and turtle approach, or you are like a huge turtle, or maybe you're a rabbit, you know?
I would like to brag that I'm a consistent winner, but in this actually I'm not. I'm more like Sky.
Oh,
Yeah, but it's good because we got all this trading experience. We spent a lot of time. I was a serial entrepreneur. I was doing something else in the previous bull run, but then I spent a lot of time in 2021, 2022 trading with this guy, with Sky and Roche in the communities. And from all those trading experience, from all those wins and loss, we came up with the idea of Tordess, and those experience serve us in improving Tordess day by day to serve who traders out there. Yeah.
wow, I never thought even about that. That's cool. That's
Uh,
cool to find this alpha.
Hannah, before we wrap up, I quickly want to say something to people if they're watching, right? So, um, this was before I even joined as an ambassador and thing, and one of the big things why I really love these guys, right? So, for instance, you know, with technology, there's always some bugs of some sort, right? Like some small bugs and stuff. And I reached out to them and I was like, hey guys, there's a bug here, right? They didn't ignore me. They actually replied me, came back to me, told me this, told me that, and they fixed it. And this is what I want people to know about Taurus is when you mention that there's a bug or you don't know how to do something right or something doesn't work and you reach out to them, they will actually get back to you like ASAP. It's normally my guy Sky over there who gets back to people. But the fact is that they don't just ignore you, right? And this was not, I wasn't a paid customer. This was a competition. This was free, right? It was free.
Mhm.
So I just want people to know that, yeah, one day in the future we can share those chats. But yes, this is way, way, way back, right? But yeah, just the fact that they get back to you and they treat you with respect was something that I really admired. And it's why I'm a big advocate for Torres, and I will always be. Just for I want people to know that.
Thanks,
Thank you,
Rishi.
man.
Cool.
Thanks, Roche. That's really nice. So yeah, I would say that it's one of the like we all the time on AlphaMind we're having our brick by brick episodes where we are inviting different speakers and we are having like some sort of the small AMAs on X, and we're discussing different topics like about the community, about the investors and everything. Like it's a bit of top, though. I literally admire the founders and the team members who are replying to the community, because community, we discussed it many times, though community was, is, and will be the backbone of any project. Like you cannot do anything without community. And it's extremely important to be supportive, and extremely important to answer, like at least saying like, okay, I will check it out. Like, no worries. I'm here. I'm with you. I support you. And without just just disappearing. Like myself, I I had a lot of situation where I had to connect with the projects, and like, we are just writing a support ticket in a Discord, for example, because there is no connection. Like literally when you're pressing on contacts, they're just feeling, okay, fill in the form and we will contact you. I said, okay. I filled in the form and I waited for a week. Nothing came up. I said,
Yeah.
okay. I had to Discord and write
Yeah.
a support ticket. And you know what's fun? Fun fact. I wrote to the support ticket and they just ignored me. Literally. And that's frustrating. That's why I never came back to this community. Even I needed
Yeah.
something. I said, okay, I will choose another like project, another company to discuss this idea. Nah, lost.
Yeah.
And it's extremely important. Yeah, I agree with you like 100%. And yeah, moving to the next point. So as we go, like we talked about the pre-sale, sorry, about the token utility. Now, right now, you're having the pre-sale of TDS. What about next? Like, what's next point? What's in your roadmap?
So basically, we are looking forward to TG by the end of this month. After TG, we will start roll out features where we integrate the TDS token with the platform, starting with the vesting with the staking features where the users, as I mentioned, have a chance to stay, like get an extra income stream from just stack the TDS token and get 25% of the platform revenue distributed to all those people who stack their token into it. That's the first thing. Gradually, the team will work on all the features where the TDS token holder we get higher discounts, higher affiliate payout, as well as all those quests we just mentioned that the TDS token holders um, can enjoy and earn more tokens from it. All this will happen within the next 3 to 6 months after TG, because as I mentioned, this, and probably you guys already hear this multiple times in this AMA, is that this concept is huge in Forex, and we are still very early in crypto, and we hope that to be as big as those Forex platform in the years to come. And once we get into that status, it will be amazing. So the team will be working very, very hard, not just for TG, but for the months and years after TG, because the target is really the moon. Because if you look at how the top forex platform like FTMO are doing in the forex industry, they are multi-billion dollars business. They even purchased the forex broker after they purchased one by one of the top forex broker in Asia Pacific. So since we are very early in doing this in crypto, we hope that we get there very soon, because crypto is going to be a popular asset class, growing to be very popular asset class, besides on the same status as Forex, because we have all these ETF ongoing, and the governments are regulating it. So really, the target is the sky.
Thanks a lot, Dad.
Yeah.
And if I'm not mistaken, you're landing on Mexi first.
Yes, there are discussions on other centralized exchanges as well, but for the purpose of this AMA, we won't be able to announce it yet. But the plan is that we don't just want to just list on Maxi. There will be other as well. But for now, Maxi is the minimum. Yeah.
Mhm. So I'm already seeing some messages from the community questions. So Boria J is asking, may I kindly ask, has the bonus quest from the AMA already been revealed? I've been following the discussion, just joined a bit late and wanted to make sure I didn't miss it. Now, it's not revealed yet. It will be revealed right after the AMA. And you will find the secret word. No worries about that. And also, I love the way their bodies are like writing. So AMA almost feels like a pop trading session itself. Patient, attention, waiting for the bonus quest breakout moment. Thanks for the team. You know, I'll be honest, sometimes having like some sort of the educational lessons with the team founders and ambassadors and like team members, it's even better than just promoting the project. You know, when even from the marketing perspective, when you don't understand what the heck is going on, it's hard to promote it. It's like, right? Sky can understand me. Like, oh, I'm sure he feels me. And when you understand, like when you and you understand that the community doesn't understand that, what to do then? Like, it's better to explain, especially from the people who are dealing with it like day to day and who are creating this stuff. Because, like, come on, I don't even know. I know already what leverage is, but I didn't know about that before. So, shame on me. Okay. Moving on. We have also the question from the community from Leonard Likely. I'm really bad with the nickname, sorry. So, if you could gamify the Tordess funded trading experience by integrating a sci-fi inspired traders galaxy, where traders level up with their accounts by competing on chain quests, how would you design the reward system to balance risk, skill, and community engagement while keeping it sustainable for the platform? My God, you see, our community already created some sort of the trade, like sci-fi inspired trading galaxy for you. Oh my gosh.
As I mentioned, we have all these quests for community members to earn the TDS token. But regarding the funded account or this access to funding, the users, we have to pass either the competitions or the challenge because we want to keep it sustainable. We want to be able to generate profits and revenues for the token holders in a very sustainable way. So yeah, very straightforward. The rules will be there is very similarly as it is right now. In order to get the funded account or access to funding from Tordess, you have to either win the competitions, free monthly competitions, or pass the challenge with all the rules which we have explained in this call. Very simple, but you have to be a consistent winner, not to risk a lot of money, not to be a risk people who just throw money out there for quick wins. And for the token holders and all the community members, we have quests and all these things for people to enjoy and earn more tokens, but that is separate from the funding.
Thanks a lot, Dad.
Yeah.
Okay. So, and I think the last question regarding your project, and I have one more secret question from myself. Like from my side, I'm always asking people, so don't be scared. So, you mentioned, like we discussed that you're planning to do a maxi listing and the TG is pretty soon. And any huge updates you would love to share that you're having in your roadmap for the Tordess itself, or like it's under the secret right now and now even like some alpha drops?
We have more integrations with other centralized exchange. That is something that we want to make announcement in the months to come. But of course, have to depend on the partner because that is something that partnership announcements and all these things that not something that one party can do. But those are the things that we want to do in the months to come because as we mentioned, certain centralizations have certain limitations on the countries that they can serve. So the more integration we have, the better, because we don't just want to serve Asia market or Europe or South Africa, for example. We want to serve all over the world, and we have more integrations, not just with OKX, but others exchange as well that we will announce when it can be announced.
Thanks a lot, Dad. And it would be a really weird question to the traders, like or ex-traders. I don't believe that there are some ex-traders. Or you're a trader or you're not trading at all. So I would say the question to the traders. What's like from the perspective of the retail investor, if you put your shoes within the retail investment shoes, what's verticals are you basically like investing in or been invested? Like, what's your, I would say, key verticals you're investing in?
Um, you you mean like which vertical Tordess is a project in, right?
No, you personally as a retail investor. It's
Oh,
like
for me, for
yeah,
me.
yeah. For you, for Sky.
For me, I'm a believer in DeFi, but
Mhm.
Roger will probably have a lot to answer in this. He is the one who keep news. He probably follow the trends or the news. What do you what are you up to these days, Roger?
I'm fully vested into AI, but I would only go for projects that tokens that have an actual product behind them.
Mhm.
So I've been playing around with some, models on some Web3 models, and they're amazing. So AI, RWA, I'm a big fan of as well, and then gaming. That's it. And of course, Bitcoin. I love Bitcoin. I mean, I love Bitcoin. I don't have enough. I wish I had more. But yeah, that's it. Yeah. But all my trades are spot as well, right? So all my trades are spot. And I always look at my overall balance. Once I've reached a certain target, I will close all my trades and I will only enter again before the next bull market. So yeah, I have learned that taking profit is very, very important,
Mhm.
you know. And
Mhm.
people will learn it in trading as well. So when we talk about prop trading, taking profits is very, I think the other night we spoke about it on Spaces, on X, but taking profit is very important, right? Because I personally believe the days of 10,000 X's are over, you know?
Mhm.
These days, a 500 X is amazing. So yeah, I mean, you said earlier, we are normal people. I'm normal, that's normal, Sky's normal. We're really normal people. We speak very clear and honest about what we do. And yeah, that's it. Yeah. Sky, what are you investing in?
Meme course.
I
Yeah,
know for
Yeah,
there
sure.
we go. There we go. Of
I
course. There we
found
go.
finally.
You
I
know, you
found
know,
it.
you know. There you go.
Oh my gosh, Sky, I found you. You know, like all the time when you're speaking to different people, like learning their portfolios, and then I hear meme coins. I want to find, like, say, I found you, the CMO who is investing in meme coins.
Yes. But hey, I agree with him. Memes are here to stay, by the way. Meme
It
coins
is,
are
yeah.
not, they are not what they were, 4 years, 5 years ago. Meme coins are serious business now. They're
Exactly.
serious
And
business.
two
I'll back Sky up on
one
this one.
one third my portfolio is in meme coin and one third is in D5 and one
Okay.
third in like different cores that do like add drop and things like that, like projects
Okay.
behind that like help to build a project like layer one, things like that.
Mhm.
Oh yeah, yeah. Layer ones are great. Yeah.
But again, guys, it's not a financial advice. Don't think about that. I was just so happy that I found someone who is so bullish about meme coins. But again, it's not the financial advice, and do your own research and do the due diligence yourself, because before investing, you need to understand all the things we're discussing, like the fundamentals and if the project is fundamental or not. So yeah, not the financial
Yeah.
advice. Do your own research. It's been like more than 1 hour. I didn't say do your own research. Oh my God, I'm getting old. Oh yeah. So okay, guys, thanks a lot. I personally don't have any questions. It's so nice. Like you made my day, Sky. You literally made my day today. I think, guys, if you have any questions, like feel free to like drop them within the comments, and we will. Yeah, Dior. always Dior. You can always ask them to Roche, to Dad, to Sky. Like, we found him. We found the meme coin bull, like the person who is bullish on meme coins. It's like the Gestalt is closed. Okay. And if you don't have any questions to ask right now, you can feel like you can drop them within the comments, and the team members will answer to you, I believe, within their socials or anything. So right now I am shutting my mouth and saying, hey, like really great thanks and big thanks for that, for Sky and Roche, for being today with us. Like, shutting my mouth and giving the mic to you guys.
So guys, thanks a lot for watching this. Again, the pre-sales of TDS is live on AlphaMind right now. Take a look at it, do your own research, but join us before it's too late.
Thank you, guys. Hope you enjoyed the pool run coming.
Oh yeah.
Thanks, everyone.
Yeah.
Yes, enjoy it, learn from it, and remember that there's always a reward in some risk, and be safe as well. Cheers, guys.
And
Bye-bye.
now
Cheers,
I'm
guys.
enchanted. My mouth is saying, yeah, don't forget to follow socials of Tordess, and don't forget to join and jump on the competition they're having for April, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, sorry,
No,
April.
for
Oh my gosh,
for
it's
May,
May.
for May.
It's
Yes,
May.
yeah.
Oh my gosh, it's May already. Gosh, I'm sorry. You see, like, I'm still in April for May. And try your skill and learn about trading and prop trading, yeah? And don't forget to join on the bonus quest from bonus quest and Tordess Quest that we're having right now. And TDS Pre-Sale is waiting for you. And thanks a lot for your comments. And yes, see you guys soon. Have a great day.
Cheers,
Thanks, guys.
everyone.
Cheers.
Bye-bye.